In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Clash Royale on Windows 11.
Go to your browser of choice and then just type in Clash Royale, laptop or PC, whatever you want to type in. Then you're going to see one from Google Play. So go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to say install on Windows, which is what you want to do. So just go ahead and click on that. It's going to run the installer, but what it's going to run the installer for is Google Play Games. I already have it, so I'm not going to run it, but that's what you have to do. Then all you got to do once Google Play Games is installed, it might take like a minute or two to install, is from here, you're going to have to go to search and then type in Clash Royale, but it's usually also just going to be at the top. So then once you click on Clash Royale, you're going to be able to install the game onside the launcher, which is Google Play Games. So then once you have it installed and everything, which again takes another minute or two, all you gotta do is go ahead and click play. It's gonna say get ready to play, and it's gonna be opening the game. Then it's gonna open up a new window with Clash Royale with your account. So just make sure the Google account you use for Google Play Games is the exact account that you use to play Clash Royale. Only then is your progress going to be cross progression on your PC and your phone. So you can just pick up whichever one you want and continue off where you left off basically.